Hey guys, so back again doing another YouTube video. This is a review of the Amazfit T-Rex Smart Watch. I have already opened this, but I just thought I'd show you the packaging on it as well because it's really good packaging. So obviously on the front you've got a little bit of information, Amazfit T-Rex with a nice picture. Also it tells you it's military standard MIL STD 810G. It's got an AMOLED display, a 20-day battery life. It's water resistant to 50 meters, built-in GPS, and also multi-sport modes. I don't know if you can really see that because it's quite a white box to have under this light. On the back, just gives you the standard information about Android that it runs, Bluetooth, the barcode obviously, tells you what compatibility is. I actually use this with an iPhone, not with an Android. I opted for this over the Apple Watch because it was cheaper. I paid £129 for it from Amazon, and also it's a lot tougher than an Apple Watch. It can really take a knock, this. I've been wearing it now for about 2.5 weeks, and so far it's been knocked. I've whacked it against my desk, door frames when I'm walking, and not a single scratch on it. So I'm really impressed with the build quality of this. So let's get in there. So inside you get a nice little box. It's quite similar to your usual smartphone boxes that you get on your premium high-end stuff. And then you get the watch itself. As you can see, it's a really nice looking watch. It's really light for a smartwatch, but it's got a really good solid feel to it. It doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon. And then on the watch you've got your standard features, so obviously notifications from any messages you've had, status, click that, it tells you how many steps you've done since you put the watch on, how many miles you've walked, how many times that you've sat down and had the sit down alarm kick off, how many calories you've burnt. It's got a heart rate monitor built in. You can have that switched to always on, so it's constantly monitoring your heart. The heart rate monitor, I've found it to be really useful. I'm not a fitness freak, if I'm honest. I'm a fat git, but I am trying to lose weight, so this does help. And also it's nice how I can get it to interact with my smartphone and sort of keep track of things on a day-to-day basis. You've got plenty of different settings for workouts and activities. It's got something so you can control your music on it, the weather, alarms, events, countdown timers, a compass, which is also really useful. It's really accurate as well, actually. I don't know if you can see the compass app on there. Let me just try and load that up for you. What it makes you do is walk around in sort of a figure of 8, and then when you've walked around in a figure of 8, it determines your location by some technological magic, but it works, and it's really accurate as well. Also, the features what you've got on this, sorry, let me just get on. You've got the settings for predetermined tasks. You've got outdoor running, walking, cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming, treadmill, indoor cycling, elliptical trainer, your own exercises if you want to program them in, climbing, trail running, skiing, outdoor trekking. So there's a good amount of things you can do with this. It is a really decent watch. I upgraded this from the Honor Band 5, which is made by Huawei. To be honest with you, I didn't really have any issues with that, but it didn't do anything near as much of this as this does. This was a lot more expensive, but that being said, this does a hell of a lot more. So all in all, I think this has been a really good buy. I'll just quickly show you the app on my phone as well. Just bear with me a second. So the app's really intuitive. It gives you everything that you've done, steps, it monitors your sleep as well. So the watch actually monitors your sleep for you, then feeds it all to the app. You can link this in with things like Apple Health, and I'm pretty sure on an Android you can probably do even more with it, to be fair. But to be honest, for what I need, it has been absolutely perfect. I've had no issues with it whatsoever, and it's really robust. Now the good points about it, the battery life is fantastic. I've been getting on average about 10-12 days out of it, and that's with using it quite a lot, having all the notifications enabled, constant heart monitoring enabled. I've been using it with the GPS, It really is absolutely phenomenal, the battery life. The only bad point I've found so far with this watch is it has a really poor integration for notifications. So all you can actually get on the notifications is, so let me just pull the settings up and I'll actually show you. So all you can get is Zap, which is obviously which is the app what you use, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and Calendar. So you can't get any notifications from Outlook if you have emails coming through to Outlook on your phone, or any other thing that you might need notifications from. So it's weird going from having all the notifications that come through to my watch being filtered down. It did take a little bit of adjustment, but other than that I haven't had any other issues with it. I think this is a really good watch and it's at a fantastic price. I'm sorry my videos are a bit crap at the minute. I'm still learning how to do them. Hopefully things will get better as I progress. If there's anything you want to see me review, or anything that you think I'd be good at showing you how to fix, especially like with Macs and laptops and things like that, get in touch. I'll be happy to make a video for you. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, give us a thumbs up, or a comment and subscribe. I hope you all have a good day.